Let's look at Chapter 13, Lesson 2, Practice, Finding Missing Factors. Write the correct number in each box. I know that 4 times 3 is 12. 40 times 3 would be 120. 4 times 30 would be 120. And 40 times 30 would be 1,200. Number 2, 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 70 is 350. 50 times 70 is 350, and 50 times 70 is going to be 3,500. Number 3, you have 3 times 11 is 33. 30 times 11 would be 330, and 30 times 110 would be 3,300. Then you have 3 times 110, which would be 330. Number 4, you have 7 times 9, which is going to be 63. Then you have 630. Then you have 63 with 2 zeros on the end, which is 6,300. Then you have 63, which is 1 zero, which is 630. 8 times 700. I know 8 times 7 is going to be 56, and then I'm going to draw 2 zeros. I have 80 times what equals 5,600. And I know that I'm going to need a 7. And I know that I'm going to need just 1 zero because there's a 0 already in 80, and you need 1 more. I have 8 times what equals 560. And I know 8 times 7 is 56, but I need another 0. What times 70 equals 56,000? I know that it's going to be 8. And then I have 1 0 and 70, so I'm going to cross one off, and I have 2 more zeros to add on to it. For number 6, I have 50 times what equals 200. I know that 50 times 4 equals 200. 50 times what equals 2,000, and I know that that's going to need to be a 4. I have 1 0 there. And I know that I'm going to have 1 more 0. The reason I don't have 2 zeros is because 4 times 5 is going to be 20 itself, and then you add 2 zeros to the end. For the next one, what times 400 equals 2,000? I know that I'm going to cross out 2 zeros, and I know that 5 times 400 would equal 2,000 because 5 times 4 is the 20, and then the 2 zeros added to the end. What times 400 equals 20,000? I know that it's going to be a 5. I have 2 zeros that I'm going to cross off, and I'm just going to add 1 more 0 because 50 times 400 would be 20,000 because 5 times 4 would be the first 20, and then this 0 represents the last 0 to cross off. For test prep, I know that 1 dozen equals 12. How many is 50 dozen? So I can know that 50 times 12. And I can multiply. I'm going to bring down the 0 from up here. And I know that 5 times 12 is going to be 60. So it's going to be 600. 1 score equals 20. How many scores is in 800? So I'm going to take 800 and I'm going to divide it by 20. 20 goes into 80 4 times. 80 times 20, or 4 times 20 is going to be 80. I'm going to subtract it and get 0. Bring down a 0. It goes in 0 times. 40 times 20 would equal 800, so I know that that would be 40. Remember to show some of your work.